Barbershop. That's the only thing Asantefo can do. Ntinya sa wotena be na sabi o kan sem hunu ne nsem tantan. And what he said, asem na o kan no ohene enka sa. So ya badwem ba ni a ontimi mie wa no nka sa tetemre ne ye twa mo hene ti na oba. You are calling for war. And bia me kan say nka Asantefo tu no so sasom dom nsa be keka na ohene we ya ne tiri ho hia na fu birimwe. Obetimi akọ 100 meters kra. Na be dey dwane free the premises of Asakwa akodu na one say why is it? Nobody has his time, but we are sure say all things you know on the need to fulfill what they want to their dream say you see a new original house and at the end original house I am a no, say na kunya you understand. And one thing in one say we are spot now will be bring one show is and say yira at my bedroom or normal. Sanka ye nanka would wani ubu ani for unchia like who say yira at my bedroom yira 1 year Asantehene. On any tia asumdwe mpa. So ya Asantehene. Nti die nti na moto no na say obi aware Asantehene obra bia aware Asantehene obi aware bunu ni a e de na nipa ba personal interest nti na it creates animal. So we don't it's not about banter but sometimes to go be cancer ma said the cancer FTA omo ahemfo na ye omo yan sa so mo be ka bibi na tia say be yewura and so ntina sometimes we put camera on ourselves said the be ya you be defend it some things I social media no so it's not about banter we are one people say nyina ya come for we wish for the better but akoye bibi nye say ne pen but him said emrepa beba yenya asundwe hine King Solomon Foundation of Peace him said that be asundwe beba
you better agree say yenyi national no free Hong Kong clan
me sabi me nyo hine me papa nyo hine me bibi nyo hine but fekeke and you know say I have say na you can say me fan say like I was saying sabi be be for the maka we see we benefit ben you run as if free what else tiene yewura de $50 million bishan ho ana sisi wasase so ne be you understand nti any benefits kra yewura na e bia ahemfo ne any benefits yewura na say tutu enya free so but for me the minim ti e free ha there na ye lose there is nothing we lose maybe some no mo so mabayamba nti they are doing everything to fulfill them nti some feel say oh when yes also be my false news so because there na we cause problem to you unim we are presidential advisor you understand unim also humra so sebi o e bia sebi man no da sumina so say in case say e bia unim de na wo form kra na e wasa unhu undwen konkan sa that chibi to you you understand and no answer mo say ma buy na buy you Timo kono wa una otu no funu aka kire no yaba regional house no Asante regional chenti esre wa odi yi free kakra mai na so for yem feel your promise e bi otie no yema ma fa ba ni kwan so be ya ade adaachi bi e betumi do akwa amanim
yo yen hwe should it be say youth ni nyina mebo am na nyina media no so we can because I say koni do sometimes I be kan ko na say I be go so only one or two people be koba say you nyina say de ho jim na domafo na say omo so dom ho jima tribal will be nkoba
like we are saying we don't even wish for set tribal one we don't even wish for Asante for some people when it comes to peace we can't take Asantes out you understand so we don't call for tribal war and only bunini kokwa who no
yeah
you understand because me nana once e worry bununi like in a relative man for palm and nam dim komo or bununi you understand and adman bedu na me kana domahina nkasa so worry Asanteni nti sebi e bia na nyame adman bedu abusuani bi na ntokwa akosi na kunkum tribal war na sebi wo free man I'm sure they share kwa we don't wait for but we will say better solutions will come
yo na da yebe da sepa you see hanom na yurat na se yenko ti de okosonso e wo honom na ene amane no ye ha na yedemu ebesi yabre ai yedemu si hanom na ya to aso ebrepem obere ebrepem do ebe sai
abusian for intisa pepepe na ekoso e wo menhia hembubu ano baby a o te krari ani brari nwoma so o te krari ni brari